Page number 204, LAQ 3. LAQ 3, page number 204. A window is in the shape of rectangle and a semicircle. The perimeter of the window is given 20 feet. Find the maximum area. Find the maximum area. So let 2x comma y are the dimensions of the rectangle. So this is the length of the rectangle. This is the semicircle. So this is the center of the semicircle. So radius is x. Radius is x. Given perimeter. Perimeter is 20. All of listen. Perimeter. Start this point. 2x plus y plus circumference of the circle 2 pi r. 2 pi r. R is x. This is the semicircle. So 2 pi r by 2. This is a length of this arc plus y is given 20 feet. 20 feet. 2x plus y 2 pi r. R value x by 2 plus y. This is the perimeter of the window. So this is given 20. 2 to cancel. 2x plus 2y plus pi x equal to 20. So we want y value. 2y equal to 20 minus 2x minus pi x. So y value 20 minus 2x minus pi x. This is the relation between x and y. X and y. Find the maximum area of the window. So area of the window equal to L into B. L into B. So 2x into y plus area of the semicircle pi r square by 2. R value is 2. So substitute y value. Y value is 20 minus 2x minus pi x into 2 becomes 2 by 2. So A equal to 2x. Y value 20 minus 2x minus pi x by 2. 2xy 2 to cancel plus pi x square by 2 multiply with x. A equal to 20x minus 2x square minus pi x square plus pi x square by 2. it is either maximum or minimum. First derivative is 0. First derivative is 0. So dA by dx equal to derivative of 20x, 20, derivative of x square, 2x, 2 into 2, 4x, 2 into 2x, minus pi into 2x, plus pi into 2x by 2, 2 cancel, dA by dx equal to 0. So 20 minus 4x minus 2 pi x plus pi x equal to 0. 2 pi x plus pi x, 40 minus 4x plus 5x. Calculate x value. 40 equal to 4x plus pi x, 4x plus 5x. Next, take x common. 20 equal to, take x common, pi plus 4, x value 20 by pi plus 4, x value is 20 by pi plus 4. Next, calculate y value. From 1, y equal to 1 by 2, this one, 20 minus 2, x value 20 by pi plus 4 minus pi into x value 20 by pi plus 4. Take pi plus 4 LCM of pi plus 4 LCM, 20 pi plus 80, 20 pi plus 80 minus 40 minus 20 pi plus 20 pi minus 20 pi cancel. Next, so y value of into 80 minus 40, 40 by pi plus 4, 2 table, 20 times cancel. Y value is also equal to 20 by pi plus 4. So we want area of the window. Area of the window is this one, L into B plus pi r square by 2. So from second equation 2xy plus pi x square by 2. This is the area of the window. Substitute x and y values in this equation. So 2 into x value 20 by pi plus 4. Y value 20 by pi plus 4. This 1 by 2 is this one. Pi x square 20 by pi plus 4 whole square. So take 20 square by pi plus 4 whole square common. 20 by pi plus whole square common. 2 plus pi by 2. 400 by pi plus 4 whole square. 2 LCM. 4 plus pi. 2. 200 times cancel. Pi plus 4 square cancel. So answer is 200 by pi plus 4. This is the area of the window. Next problem. Fourth Roman. LAQ4. A cylinder inscribed in a sphere. This is the cylinder inscribed in the sphere of radius r. R is the radius of the sphere. Find the height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder is √2 into r. So let capital R, radius of the cylinder, and capital H, height of the cylinder. Small r, radius of the sphere. Capital R and capital H are the radius and height of the cylinder. So let it be O, A, B. Total height is H. So half height is H by 2. Half height is H by 2. So from triangle OAB, OA square plus AB square equal to OB square by the Pythagoras law. So OA square H square by 4, AB square capital R square equal to small r square. In this problem, small r is a constant value. So from this one, calculate H square R square value. Capital R square, small r square minus H square by 4. Capital R value under root R square minus H square by 4. This is the relation between two variables, capital R and capital H. So see, find the height of the cylinder when the circumference of the cylinder is maximum. Circumference of the sphere formula 2 pi r h. We want this h value. Remove this r using this one. So 2 pi h r square minus h square by 4. ఈ h లోపల తీసుకురండమ్మా. 2 pi under root h square r square h power 4 by 4. h లోపల వస్తే h square అవుతుంది. h square r square minus h square into h square h power 4 by 4. So we want this h value. Given s to be maximum. So first take first derivative. ds by dh equal to 0. So 2 pi first derivative of the root function, root x derivative 1 by 2 root h square r square h power 4 by 4. Derivative of the root function. Next, derivative of the internal function. H square derivative 2h r square minus h power 4 derivative 4 h cube by 4 equal to 0. 4 cancel, 2 cancel, pi into 2h r square minus h cube by under root h square r square h power 4 by 4 equal to 0. By cross multiplication, 0 into something equal 0. Pi into 2h r square minus h cube equal to 0. Next, 2h r square minus h cube equal to 0 by pi. 0 by something equal 0. So 2h r square equal to h cube. 1h cancel. H square equal to 2r square. H value under root 2r square. So h value is root 2. Root 2 square cancel. Root 2 square cancel. R. So height of the cylinder equal to root 2 times of the radius of the sphere. Radius of the sphere. See, from the diagram, right OAB is a right angle triangle. This is the Pythagoras law. H square by 4 plus r square equal to r square. Capital R square value, it becomes to minus. Remove square, we get root function. Circumference of the cylinder 2 pi r h. We want this capital H value. So remove the radius r by using this one. Root h becomes 2 in the root h square. H square r square minus h square into h square, h power 4 by 4. Given s to be maximum, so ds by dh equal to 0. This 2 pi root x derivative 1 by 2 root x, internal derivative 2h r square 4h cube by 4. 4 cancel, 2 cancel. This is the numerator value, this is the denominator value. 0 into something equal to 0. Into pi becomes 2 by pi. Minus h cube plus h cube. H cancel. H square. H square equal to r square. H value under root 2r square, that is root 2 into r.